Artie McYarty here with another one. Hey folks, let's get started. Today, we're going to change out our engine air filter. You want to save a couple $100 from the dealership? You want to earn some brownie points with the wife for extra manliness? Well, let me show you how to get it done. I got this OEM for my car, and it was about $34 versus $200 is what they were asking for if they did it themselves. What? Sorry about that. Got a little too excited. First time I opened the hood on this bad boy, and boy was it quite the experience. Alright, be sure to read your owner's manual. So it is located right where the intake is, on the driver's side, as you can clearly see. What's cool about this particular one, this is a 2023 Lexus RX, and it is completely toolless. You got two little tabs that hold the box together, and then you have one little tab that removes the mass airflow sensor. You're going to want to go ahead and remove the mass airflow sensor first. It's just a wire that you see right over there to kind of get that out of the way. So when you pull up those two tabs to open up the box like a sandwich, at that point you have wiggle room to slide out the filter. Alright, so at this point, I'm pulling the two tabs out, so now I can release the hatches and open up the box like a little sandwich. And out slides that filter. Not too bad, but definitely used. It's been about 24,000 miles. Time to change this bad boy. Be extra cautious. Make sure that when you put the new filter in, that rubber seal, that gasket, it's seated very nice and flat and flush. Everything is seated, and then when you sandwich the box back together, there's no air gaps before you clip those clips back on. Last but not least, put that mass airflow sensor back in its place, clip it in, and you're good to go.